touch the screen, or present a travel card on the card reader. Click on the English button to switch the displayed language to English. Select I have a raised card to load an amount on your card. Or select buy raised card to buy an anonymous card. The information menu is displayed. If you do not accept raised card terms and conditions, or if you want to buy a personalized card, select Restart, End of the sales offices. If you accept raised card terms and conditions, select Buy raised card to buy an anonymous card. Select the default profile for the raised card. Select Adult. Or select Child if the user is less than 18 years old. You must define amount to be loaded on the raised card. Select one of the predefined amounts. Or select Other amount to enter amount yourself. Enter the desired amount using the numerical keypad. Press on the Accept button to validate the entered amount. Insert a payment card in the card slot and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. As soon as your payment has been accepted, your raised card comes out. Take out your raised card. Do not forget your paper receipt. You can immediately use your raised card. Simply place your raised card on the blue point of a check-in. You won't forget to present your card to a checkout when ending your trip.